Good evening, all. I hope my voice is audible. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Avinash sir, good evening. Avinash sir, are you there? Your voice is not audible, sir. Sir, if you're talking like your voice is not audible, sir, please check and
Is this audible now, madam?
yeah, now it is fine, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can start the session, sir.
Yeah, I'll wait 2 more minutes. Let them join.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Is my voice audible?
Yes, it is audible now.
Okay, fine. Yes. Hi, all of you. Good evening. And I wish you very happy new year to all of you. Yeah, okay, fine. See, last session we have completed bank reconciliation, right? And notes, all PDF is ready. So after this session, so you're going to get, okay? So all shortcuts and all whatever we have discussed, everything. So you will get understood. Huh? So today our concept is, say, in the first session, We haven't discussed two things. What are those? In F11 settings, F11 settings. So the third one, enable cost center. So this one we didn't discuss, right? So today we are going to discuss about cost centers. Okay. After this, if we have a time, what is trial balance, how to extract, and what are the configurations we are going to change for trial balance, we are going to discuss, and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, these are the four concepts we are going to cover today. Fine? Yes. Give me a minute. So, any idea what is cost center? Any idea what is cost center? See, I'll tell you what is cost center. This is a very unique function in Tally. Understood? This is very unique function in Tally. If you want to maintain branch accounts, if you want to maintain branch accounts, for example, there is a company A, okay? So we created a company for this in Tally, created a company in Tally, okay? After 3 months or after 4 months, this company is decided to open one branch account. Understood? Huh? Branch one opened. Okay. Now you need to record, you need to record sales for company A and sales for branch one. Understood? Huh? Like this, if they opened branch two, okay. So how to maintain branch wise accounting in Tally? How to maintain branch wise accounting in Tally? Understood? So we have to record sales, we have to record purchases, we have to record expenses, we have to record liabilities, we have to record incomes. Everything we need to record, right? Huh? This is one option. Why we need to use cost center means this is the one option which is called as maintain the branch accounts. Maintain the branch accounts. Okay. Second one. Okay. You can maintain branch department wise accounting. You can maintain department wise accounting. Department wise accounting means what? See, in one company, okay, different kind of departments are there. For example, manufacturing department, okay, sales department, purchase department, admin department. See, like this, different kind of branches are there. Now we want to record salary. Now we want to record salary for manufacturing employees, for sales employees, for purchase department employees, for administration department employees. How do you record? Normally, we will record salary account debit to cash or bank account, right? Huh? So in this salary, how much is for manufacturing department? How much is for sales department? How much is for purchase department? How much is for admin department? So how do we get to know these information? Understood? And one more thing, now, for example, branch 1, 3 employees, branch 2, 5 employees, branch 3, 10 employees. Understood? Now, for each branch, there is common electricity expenses. Okay. There is common rent expenses. There is common salary expenses. Understood? So, how to record salary? Sorry, how to record electricity for branch 1, branch 2, branch 3? One entry is enough to record these branches. Rent, branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. One entry is enough to record all these branches. Salary, one entry is enough to record all these employees along with all these branches. So how to do this? By using cost center. Then what is cost center? Cost center is a function. It helps to record or it helps to allocate transaction for department wise or branch wise. Understood what is cost center? Cost center is a function. It helps to record or allocate the transactions for department wise or branch wise. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about branch wise also, department wise also. Understood? Yes. 1 minute. Shivam Shankar, it manages cost of production in fixing prices. No. So if you want to fixing the price or if you want to select the price, that is inventory management. In the next session, we are going to discuss about inventory management. There you will understand how to fix a selling price and what is the cost price. While recording the entry only, you will understood that. So I'll write a example sum, just like Now this is for example sum. Okay. So how to create branches, how to create all these ledgers, how to maintain branch accounting, everything we are going to discuss now. Okay. Yes. Mm. So for this, I'm going to create a new company. Okay. So company name itself, I'm taking Cost Center Private Limited. Cost Center Private Limited, Bangalore, Karnataka. Hmm. Now it is asking if you want to enable the cost center function, you need to enable. Yes, I want to enable this. I'm enabling. Okay, simple. No need to change anything. Just accept the window. Simple. Understood? Yes. Hmm. Now we need to create branches, right? For this, go to create. See, now it is enabled cost center option. Select this. Here it is asking branch 1. Okay. Under primary, enter it. Now I am taking branch 2. Now I am taking branch 3. Okay. Understood? Now ledgers we have to create, right? Same. Go to create, go to ledger. What are the three ledger? Rent, electricity, salary. Right? Yeah, rent, electricity, salary. Hmm. Rent. Come under what head? Indirect expenses. Control A. So just wait. I need to change one setting here. So I'll delete the ledger I have created. Rent. So I'm deleting this. One doubt. Okay. Chetan. Okay. Happy New Year, Chetan. Yes. See, while creating the ledgers, you need to enable one more setting. Okay. See, whatever ledger, if you want to create, okay, you need to enable cost center applicability for all the ledgers. This is very, very important. Why? Because I'll explain you why it is important. Hmm. See, profit and loss account is there. This is debit side. This is credit side. Okay. Rent. What is the total for rent? 30, 65, 110. It means 1 lakh 10,000 after recording entries. So you will get a total 1 lakh 10,000 rupees in profit and loss account. Understood? Huh? But if your management is asking, give me branch wise reports. Okay. Branch one, what are the expenses we have paid? If your management is asking, what are the three expenses? Rent is also there, electricity is there, salary is there. Okay. If you did not enabled one option while creating ledger, okay, you cannot extract the reports individually. Understood? You won't get individual information. P&L will give you consolidated report. Balance sheet also will give you consolidated. Consolidated means what? Total three branch informations. It will give you three branch total value. It will give all P&L and all balance sheet. Understood? Individual branch wise, it won't give. If you enabled the cost center option while creating the ledgers, your tally will give you branch wise reports. Understood? Please keep in your mind. Billing address, shipping address, how to make the difference. Okay, fine. I'll explain you. After discussing the cost center, I'll explain you how to make different bids. Okay, don't worry. Hmm. Now I'm going to create and I'm selecting ledger. Okay, this is a ledger creation window. So here I want to enable cost center applicability, right? So that I'll use control I. Okay, I'll use control I. See, now it is asking cost center applicability. Okay, it is asking cost center applicability. So in my system, it is enabled. That's why it's showing you yes. You have to cross check in your systems. If it is no, please make it yes. Okay. Now I am creating rent, indirect expenses, control A, and electricity expenses. Under indirect expenses, control A. Next, salary. Under indirect expenses, use control A. Fine. See, we have created ledgers and branches also. I'm going to create one more. Okay. Expenses, rent payable. No, cash is there. Okay. I'll select cash. See, for cash, cost center applicability, it is showing no. Now I need to make it yes. Control A. Understood? Huh? So the necessary ledgers I have created. Now I want to record vouchers. Okay. So payment entry I have selected. See, for salary separate entry, rent separate entry, electricity separate entry. No need to record separate or individual. Okay. Under one voucher for all the branch entries you can record. How it is possible? I will show you now. Okay, up to here we have recorded salary separate, rent separate, electricity separate. For each and everything separate individually we have recorded. No, now we are going to record combinedly. Okay, two options are there. I'll show you with two options also. Okay, branch wise also we can record, expenses wise also we can record. I will show you that. Okay. Yeah. So first, what is the ledger rent? Okay. So here we need to select a total amount. Okay. We have to consider total amount. For rent, how much is the total amount? 30, 30, 65, and 45, 110. Okay. 1 lakh 10,000. Enter. Cost center is enabled now. Now it is asking. So you have considered, you have taken 1,10,000. How much is for branch one? How much is for branch two? How much is branch three? Now it is asking. Okay. See, branch one is 30,000. Branch two is 35,000. Branch three is 45,000. See, understood? Again, take debit and take one more expenses, electricity. Okay. Total, how much? Total is 5, 6, 11, 7, 18,000. Okay, 18,000. So now it is asking how much is for branch 1? 5,000. How much is for branch 2? 6,000. How much is for branch 3? 7,000. Understood? Now again take debit. Do enter. Select the salary. Okay. So total how much will come here? 1 lakh, 2 lakh 50, 4 lakh 50. Okay. 4 lakh 50. How much is the branch 1? 1 lakh. Branch 2, 1 lakh 50. Branch 3, 2 lakh. Okay. Now we are paying all these three expenses through cash. Okay. Understood? This is April month entry. How much is for branch 1? 1 lakh 10,000. How much is for branch 2? 18,000. No, 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 not like that. Branch 1 total is, just a second. So here one more total we have to do. See, so individual branch wise total we are paying with cash now. So total 35, 1,35,000. This is 35, 41, 1,91, and next 245, 253, 252. Oh, fine. Hmm. Branch 1, 1,35,000. Branch 2, 1,91,000. Is it correct? Yes, 1,91. And the branch 3, remain 2,52. Correct. See, like this, you need to record. This is expenses wise. We have recorded option 1, expenses wise. Understood? Now, same figures we need to follow for May month. Now I will show you branch wise. Understood? Now I will show you branch wise. How it is branch wise. See, now we are going to record. We have recorded expenses wise, right? Now we are going to record branch wise. Means if you recording expenses wise, one entry is enough. For branch wise, three entry we need to record. Entry number 1, entry number 2, entry number 3. Why? Because three branches, three entries. Like that. Okay. Fine. Hmm. So branch 1, what are the expenses are there? Rent. How much? 30,000. Okay. Branch 1. And debit. Electricity. 5,000. How much? Branch 1. And one more debit. Salary. How much is the amount? 1 lakh. Branch 1. Cash. Only for branch 1. Branch 1. Understood? This is like branch wise entries. Now we'll record for branch 2. How much is the rent? 35,000. This is for branch 2. Okay. Now we need to take debit and electricity. What is the amount? 6,000. This is for branch 2. And again debit, salary. How much? 1,50,000. This is branch 2. Okay. Cash. Branch 2. Understood? Now branch 3 entry. Rent 40,000. This is for branch 3. Let's debit electricity 7,000. This is for branch 3. And debit salary 2 lakh. This is for branch 3. Cash. I think this is 45,000 rent. We cross check. Rent is 45,000. Okay. And what is this? Excuse me, sir. All the entries are in payment voucher. Yes, we are making the payment. That's why we are taking payment voucher. So if you want to record payable, then you can go for journal entry, a journal voucher. So you can record payable entries. Understood? For example, I am taking cash now. That's why I'm considering payment voucher. But if you want to record payables, you can go for journal voucher, F7. Understood, Mastan? Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you. Thank you, Maskan. Now it's 2,52,000 for branch 3. Understood? So expenses wise also we recorded, branch wise also we recorded. Which one is easy for you that you can select and you can follow? Okay. This is basic one. In cost center, this is basic one. Okay. I'll give you 3 to 4 sales, 3 to 4 purchases also. Understood? Just wait. Understood? Now come to the same. Okay. Now, so we sold goods for different customers. Okay. In branch one sales and branch two, branch three. Okay. While recording the sales, your sales voucher is asking. Okay. Tally is asking. You are recording a sales. Okay. And on what branch you are recording? Please select the branch. Like that, your tally should ask. For that, you need to enable cost center option. Okay. So I will show you three sales through and three purchases. Okay. And I'll show you impact of a balance sheet and impact of a P&L. So how P&L will show you the figures. Okay. And then I will explain you how to extract individual branch details. Okay. Yes, fine. Mm. So, so I'm taking all sales are cash sales. Okay. Hmm? Sales. For branch one, just wait. I'll write here. Sales. For branch one, 5 lakh, branch 2, 7 lakh, branch 3, 9 lakh. Okay. And one more sales I'm taking. This is for April month. This is for May month. Okay. Mm, sales again 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh. So similarly, I'll take purchases. This is also cash purchases. Okay. Hmm? 3 lakh, 3 lakh 50, 4 lakh. One more purchase. This is for April and this is for May. This is for 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50. This is 2 lakh. Okay. And similarly, okay, I will take fixed assets. We are purchasing furnitures. Okay. Furniture. So 1 lakh furniture for branch 1, 1 lakh 50 branch 2, and 2 lakh for branch 3. And this is a fixed asset. No, one liability I am taking, that is bank loan. So branch 1, we are taking 5 lakh loan, and this is for 7 lakh loan, and this is for 9 lakhs. Understood? Huh? So your balance sheet will not show you individual branch wise. Your profit and loss account will not show you individual profit and loss account. Okay, all your P&L, all your profit and balance sheets will give you consolidated invoices, sorry, consolidated values. Okay, P&L will give you consolidated values. Means a total of all branches. Balance sheet will give you consolidated only. It means total of all branches. So for easy purpose, I'll make you furniture. What is the total? 1 lakh, 2 lakh 50, 4 lakh 50, right? So in balance sheet, it is showing you 4 lakh 50. Understood? Huh? Hmm. But individual wise, it won't give you. Okay. So this we can cross check. Hmm. Now come to the tally. So we'll record two sales and two purchases. Come. So we need to record one sales entry now. Hmm? Go to vouchers. For sales, I'm taking one product. Okay. Hmm? So for product is I'll take laptop. Laptop. Okay. This is numbers. NOS numbers. Hmm. Okay. Now I'll go to vouchers. I'll select sales. Okay. In sales, I want item invoice. Okay. Now it is asking the party, right? Before selecting this party, okay. Oh, sales ledger also we need to create. Okay, just a minute. Sales under sales account. Okay. Hmm. See, now it is not asking under which branch are you going to record. See, is there asking any in any places? No. We need to enable here. For that, we need to use shortcut key F12. Okay. We need to use the shortcut key F12 for cost center class. Okay. I'll use F12. So here, where is the cost center option? Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, the 11th option. Select cost center or class. You need to enable S. And list also I want. Means branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, list I want. Okay. For that I enabled. So I'll do Control A now. Okay. For this, you have to use F12 shortcut key. F12 is the shortcut key. Okay. To enable cost center while recording the entry. Understood? And these are the options you need to enable. Okay. Understood? Yes. Hmm. Now see, you can observe. So it is asking now after selecting party, after selecting sales, now it is asking. So it is not giving branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, right? Just give me a second. I'll check again. So it's showing you no. Again, I'll enable it. Control A. Now, now it is asking. Hmm. See, after selecting cash ledger and sales ledger means party ledger and sales ledger, it is asking cost center class. Here, it is asking under which branch are you going to record this sales entry? Branch 1 you need to record, or branch 2 or branch 3. Understood? If you are selecting branch 1, now whatever the entry you will record, that will save under PNL as well as branch 1. Sorry, branch 1. Okay. If you are taking branch 2, so it will save under PNL as well as branch 2. If you are taking branch 3, it will save as well as PNL and as well as branch 3 also. Understood? Yes. Okay. Now, now I'll select branch 1. Okay. So what is the stock? Laptop. Okay. Quantity is 100. Rate is 70,000. 7,000. Then it is 7 lakh. So we'll check how much is the value. 5 lakh. Then I'll make it 5,000. Okay. Accept the window. Simple. Okay. Now, again cash, again sales. Now it is asking under what branch you are recording the entry. I am recording branch 2, laptop. Okay. 100 quantity. Rate is 7,000. Okay. Hmm. Now cash, branch 3 entry, branch 3 sales, we are going to record branch 3, laptop, 100 quantity, 9,000 rupees. Okay. Hmm. Understood? Now we'll record May month entries. Again cash, select the sales, branch 1, how much is the value? 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh. Okay. Laptop, 100 quantity, 7,000. Okay. Control A. No. Next cash, sales. This is branch 2. Stock is laptop, 100, 8,000. This is just asking e-way bill details. Anyway, we are not selected e-way bill. Okay. That's why I'm taking no. How much is the value? 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh. Okay. Means 1,500. Cash purchase, branch 3. Now its value is 2,000. Okay. We have recorded purchases. And then we'll check last two entries are there. One is furniture, another one is bank loan. So we'll record furniture. Okay. For that, we need to create one furniture ledger. Okay. Under fixed assets, Now bank loan also, now only we need to create under loans liability. Okay. Yeah. Come to voucher, select payment voucher. See, for example, I'm recording entry for payment for all the purchases. Why? Because for fixed assets. Why? Because already you are aware of it. How to record credit entry, how to record payment entry, right? Means the due entry. Huh? Yeah. So branch one, I'm recording furniture. How much is the value for branch one? 1 lakh. Okay. Or else you can do one thing. Okay, fine. We'll do like this only. Control A. So 1 lakh, huh? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Hmm. Accept the window. Now record branch 2. Okay, that is furniture. That is 1 lakh 50. Now we'll record the same furniture for branch 3. Furniture. How much? 2 lakh rupees. See, what is the total purchase, total value for furniture? 4 lakh 50, no? See, while recording the entry after taking the amount under furniture, see, it is showing you 4 lakh 50 here. See, consolidated value only we are getting. Individual branch wise, we are not getting. Hmm? I'll explain you how to get a branch wise, P&L branch wise balance sheet and all everything. Okay, now we need to record the bank loan. No, we have received. So I'll take F6. Okay, for branch 1. How much is the amount for branch 1? 5 lakh, 7 lakh, 9 lakh. Okay. Bank loan. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll select cash. Okay. This is for branch 1. Now for branch 2, bank loan 7 lakhs. Cash. Now for branch 3, bank loan 9 lakh. Cash. Hmm. So like this, in workplace, you have to record n number of entries. Understood? So individual branch, understood how to enable cost center, how to create the entries, sorry, how to create a ledger. While creating a ledger, we need to enable cost center applicability. And then while recording the entry, we need to select branch wise. Okay, understood? After recording all the entries, now we'll go to profit and loss account. Open. Do Alt F1. Why Alt F1? What is Alt F1? Shortcut key. See, what is the view now? See, it is not giving detailed way. If you are using Alt F1, it will give you in a detailed way. I will show you. See, under indirect expenses, next one is net profit, right? So after taking Alt F1, see, it is giving you under purchase, under indirect expenses, how much is electricity, how much is rent, how much is salary. So if you want in a detailed way, then you should enable Alt F1. So not only this PNL, any report, if you want in detailed way, Alt plus F1, any report, it will give you in a detailed view. Understood? Okay, fine. Hmm. See, it is giving you purchase total is 15 lakh. How much is the branch one? See, branch one details not there. If you are coming back also, branch wise details is not giving. For sales also, you can go to sales. See, April month 21 lakh, May month 24 lakh. So how much is for branch one? See, we are not getting. We are not getting. Understood? Come to electricity. Total is 36,000. How much is the branch one? No, we don't have the information. Okay. One doubt. Aditya. What is the difference between Alt F1 and Alt F5? Okay. Where did you get Alt F5? Option is not there, no. Alt F5. Alt F5 option is not there. There is no shortcut key. Okay. There is only Alt F1. Yes, Aditya, understood? Huh? Okay. Next, you can come to rent. You can open 2 lakh 20 the total amount. See, total it is giving you, but individually you will not get salary also. My total 9 lakh is there. How much is for branch 1, branch 2, branch 3? No information. I'll go to balance sheet. I'll use Alt F1 again. Hmm. Furniture, what is the total? 4 lakh 50. Consult total value. But how much is the branch wise? See, bank loan. Total we have received 21 lakh. How much is the branch one? Don't know. Huh? So total cash with us 34 lakhs. How much is the cash we have branch wise? We don't have any information. If you opened balance sheet and P&L, for that you need to go to cost center reports. Okay, how to go there? First, you should go to display more reports. Display more reports. From this, you should go to statements of accounts. Instead, you should go to statements of accounts. And then it is asking you cost centers. Open this. Okay. Now you have a four option. Cost center summary also it will give. Cost center breakup also it will give. Ledger breakup, group breakup. I don't want ledger. I don't want break. I want cost center means branch wise, right? The first option. Okay, you should take first option. See, branch one, branch two, branch three is there. This is the total. Now you can ask me a question. Sir, you informed us, you said that you told that branch one, what is the sales, what is the purchases, what is the expenses are there. But there is no sales, there is no purchase, there is no any information now. So how to do this? Now you should go to cost center breakup. Okay. Individual branch you can select, you can extract the information. I'll select branch one. Okay. Current assets, sales, purchases, expenses. Sir, in expenses, it is showing the total. I want the breakup. You can use Alt F1 here. If you used Alt F1, okay, you will get branch-wise information. Understood? Okay. See, current assets, how much is the cash for branch one? 17 lakhs we have. Sorry, 9 lakh 30 we have. This is the closing balance. Okay. And then how much is the sales? 12 lakh is the sales. How much is the purchase? 4 lakh is the purchases. How much is the electricity for branch one? 10,000 we have incurred. Rent 60,000. Salary 2 lakh. Now you need to export this to Excel. There you need to create profit and loss account and balance sheet. That is our duty. Tally will not give you that. Yeah, why? Because we have a P&L and balance sheet formats, right? Hmm? We have profit and loss account formats. One is debit side, another one is credit side. Okay. See, here it is giving you purchases. Here it is giving you sales. Okay. Here it is giving you sales. You can just take purchases. Total is 4 lakh. Okay. Sales total is 12 lakh. Okay. Total expenses means you can take individually electricity 10,000, rent 60,000, salary 2 lakh. So total is 12 lakh. This one also, if you are taking 12 lakh, you can get the net profit also, no? So 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 6 lakh 70. Okay. It means 5 lakh 30 is the net profit. Understood? So you can write net profit 5. Yes, of course, it is not part of profit and loss account, but in that cash is also showing, no, Piruba. Cash is also not part of profit and loss account. Huh? So branch one means what are the purchase, what are the sales, what are the liabilities, what are the assets, everything it should give, right? Okay, why it is not giving purchase and why it is sorry, why it is not giving fixed assets and why it is not giving bank loan? Why? Because while creating the ledger, okay, while creating the ledger, so you have to use the cost center or enable option, which is control plus I. You have to use this shortcut key to enable cost center applicable. Understood? For furniture and for bank loan, we didn't enable it. That's why it is not appeared. These two are not appeared in the branch one, branch two, branch three. Okay, we'll check for branch one and branch two also. I'll go to display more reports. I'll go to statements of accounts. I'll go to cost center breakup. I'll select. See, here also it is not coming. For branch 3 also, it is not coming. Understood? So while creating a ledger, we have to enable cost center applicability. So for example, I'll select sales. Hmm? So I'll use control I. See, cost center applicability is showing yes. Understood? Now we'll come to furniture. Okay, we'll use control I. See, it is showing a no. Understood? This is the effect. This is the effect. Why it is not showing? Okay, you have to enable. Understood? This option you have to enable. You have to do yes. Otherwise, it won't appear. Understood? So please keep this in your mind while recording the entry. Please enable it. If you enabled now, okay, whatever the entries you have recorded so far, it won't appear. In the next future, what are the entries you will record, but you will show in branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. Understood? Okay, you can come to balance sheet. You can do Alt F1. See, total furniture is 4 lakh 50. This is consolidated. Understood? Okay, you can go to display more reports. You can go to statements of accounts. Go to cost center, go to cost center breakup. You can select branch one. You can detailed view, and then you can export to Excel. That is Control E. You can click export. Just wait. It is taking some time. It is exporting. Hmm. See, by using figures easily, P&L, balance sheet. Anyway, you have that soft copy, the format of P&L and the format of balance sheet, no? So you can just copy the figures. That is enough. Understood? Huh? Yes. This is about cost center. Now, please tell me any doubt in this cost center? If you want to show anything regarding cost center, I'll show you now. Any settings or any step, anything. If you have a doubt, please ask me now. After this, I'll go to start for trial balance. What is trial balance and how to extract, what are the configuration settings we need to follow for that trial balance. We'll discuss that one. See, all the notes you will get from today onwards. So I'll send to your management today. So your management will upload the PDF in LMS dashboard, LMS portal. From there you will get. So I'll show you the notes. Okay. So this is theory. Okay. And this is the PNL, the format. This is the balance sheet format. So this is the meaning for direct expenses and examples, indirect expenses and examples, and rules for accounts. What is journal entries? Procedure for journal entries, examples. Okay. And then these are the example transactions for practice. And I'm giving you introduction and explanation for vouchers. What is tally and vouchers in tally? What are these vouchers and examples for these vouchers? Please do practice. Please get this note for print and please do solve all these. If you have a doubt, please ask me. Okay. Hmm? Fine. And I'm giving you task also. Okay. This is just for working. Okay. Means entry number one. What are the ledgers will come? What are the underhead? The entry, the voucher. Okay. So I'll send you this and I'll send you one more. Oh, give me a minute. Hmm. For each and everything. So I'm giving you screenshots also. See how to create a company steps. And these are the screenshots for each and every step. Okay. How to create a ledger steps and screenshots, everything. How to record an entry steps also, screenshot also I'm giving. Accounting with bill reference after joining to your workplace. Okay, how to get GST values automatically for BRS class. I told you know how to create a stock, how to enable the GSTs and everything. See, this is the way I'm giving you steps and screenshots, steps and screenshots, steps and screenshots. Okay, please do practice. Muskan, sir, here can you send? Uh, See, I can't send you in the chat box. Why? It means mm, the watermark I need to add. So for that, I'm waiting. Okay. In this chat box center, I'm facing some problem with Excel portal. Okay, don't worry. After adding the watermark, I can give you in the chat box only. Don't worry. Mm. Okay, understood. Cost center understood. Fine. So now I'll move for trial balance. Okay. Hmm. So any idea what is trial balance? So this is very, very important. Your management should ask you to export or extract a trial balance from the tally. What is trial balance? Any idea? In interview also they can ask, the interviewer may ask you the question, what is trial balance? Okay. So Shivam, it shows the accuracy of both credit and debit balances. Now, one of the reason, correct. Okay, fine. This is one of the reason. Aditya, closing balance of all the ledgers. Yes, yes. This is very, very important. See, trial balance is a statement. Trial balance is a financial statement. Okay. It shows or it records all closing balances of ledgers. All closing balances of the ledger accounts. All closing balances of the ledger accounts. Or it is a summary of all closing balances of the ledgers. Trial balance is a summary of all closing balance of the ledger accounts. Understood? Okay. So it will give you whatever the closing balance of the each ledger account. Okay. After completing 31st March, okay, we need to close all the books of accounts, right? Okay. After closing books of accounts, for example, so this is the format for trial balance. Okay. Particulars. Okay. This is debit and this is credit. Okay. So if you close sales, you just write sales. What is the closing balance for sales? Under debit, we should record. Under credit, we should record. Can anyone try, please? Under which head we need to record? Sales. Is this debit balance or credit balance? Shivam, credit. Rupali, credit. Chetan, credit. Yes, very, very good. Yes, Aditya, good. So sales will come under, for example, if it is 20 lakh, you should write under 20 lakh. For example, if you're taking purchases, so total purchase during the year, if you are taking 15 lakh, under debit side or credit side? Under debit side. So all the current liability will show under credit side. Okay. All the current assets you should write in the debit side. All expenses, all expenses you should write debit side. Okay. All incomes you should write credit side. Understood? So this is the way it is recording all the items, all the closing ledgers. Understood? Daneshwari Karpita credit, correct. Shai Krishna credit. Rupali Chikmane debit for purchases, debit for expenses, debit for current assets. Lakshmi Aditya, very good, very good. Yeah, thank you for your reply. Okay, now we'll go to tally. So I'll tell you how to export and how to change the configurations, everything. So we can open opening balances, transactions, and closing balances. So how to open, how to enable all these. Okay, I'll explain you now. So I'm going to tally. So this is tally. For this, I'll select my company, my existing company. Okay, just give me a second. I'll go to select company. In this, mm, I don't have that company. Okay, I'll select from drive. I'll select from B. I'll select from data one. Next one. Select company plus incorporation. Yeah. Oh, sorry, this is admin. Hmm. So how to open trial balance in Tally? So first I'll go to display more reports. First item is trial balance. You can select this. See how short it is. Hmm. How short it is. Capital account and loans and current liability, fixed assets, current assets, suspense account is there, sales account, purchase account, direct expenses, indirect expenses, indirect income, indirect expenses, okay, profit and loss account. See something blah blah. It is giving you all, but it is giving you too short. Hmm. And even it is closing balance. Okay, this is about closing balance. You can check here. This is about closing balance. Now I want this trial balance in a detailed way. Detailed way means, say, under loans, what are the items will come? Current liability, what are the items will come? Under fixed assets, what are the items are there? Under current assets, what are the items are there? Okay, that is detailed. Now I want the opening balance. Okay, now I want the transaction between opening balance and closing balance. It means in between these two, I want the transactions. Okay, so like this, I want the format in Tally. For this, I need to go for configurations. That is F12. F12 settings I need to open. In this, I need to open opening balance, transactions, closing balance, and in a detailed way. Understood? Okay, fine. One doubt is there. Someone is asking, give me a minute. I'll check that doubt. Krishna Tiwari, Alt F1. Okay, very good. For a detailed way, we have to use Alt F1. Here I am going to use Alt F1. See, for each and everything it is giving you under what are the items are there, we have to use Alt F1. Understood? But say current liabilities, these are the options. Fixed assets, these are the items. Indirect expenses, these are the expenses are there. Okay, understood? Bank loans, secured loans are there. Fine. Again, one doubt. Okay. Chaya Devi, Alt F1. Very good. You remembered all the shortcuts. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. Hmm. Understood? So now I want opening balances, transactions, closing balance. For that, now I'm going to F12. Okay, where is the F12? Yes. See, this is the configuration. It is asking whatever the information you want, you can enable. So I want opening balance. You can take opening balance. Yes. Transaction I don't want. Okay. Closing balance also I don't want. Come down. Group wise, ledger wise, that is you will get for Alt F1 from Alt F1. Okay. Detailed also Alt F1. Don't worry. Ignore the uh, secondary informations. Okay. Hmm? Hmm. See, this is only for opening balances. You can cross check the head. Okay. See, you tell me why all P&L items are there. Amount is not coming. Why? What is the reason? Hmm? Sales is also not there. Purchase is also not there. All P&L items are not coming. Why? What is the reason? Can you give me? Can you send me the formula notes, Sangamitra? Tell me what formula you are asking. Hmm. Tell me the reason why profit and loss account figures are not coming when I'm selecting opening balances. What is the reason? Hmm. Can anyone know? Okay, I'll tell you why. What happened? Something I have clicked. Okay, sorry, just wait. Something I have clicked. Okay. Is this my screen visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, thank you, madam. Sangamitra, alt and control formula. Sure, I'll give you. Rupali Chikmane. Yes, visit. Thank you. See, why if you opened opening balances, why the profit and loss account figures are not coming? The reason is, okay, only balance sheet items, balance sheet ledgers having opening balances and closing balances. Okay. Only balance sheet ledgers will carry forwarded to next year. Okay. Profit and loss account figures or profit and loss account ledgers will not carry forwarded to next year. That's why you will not get opening values for profit and loss account ledgers. Understood? Huh? This is the reason. So in interview, someone is asking you this type of questions. They can test your knowledge. Okay? Understood? Huh? Only balance sheet ledgers will carry forward to the next row. That's why opening balance and closing balances uh, will applicable for balance sheet ledger. For PLN ledgers, they will not carry forward to next year. That's why opening balances will not applicable for profit and loss account ledgers. Hmm. Now, along with opening balance, I want transactions and closing balance. Again, I want to go for F12. See, transactions also I need to enable yes. And no, in this, I don't want transactions. Okay. So I want closing balances. Yes, only these two I am enabling. Now you can see, you can go up. See, it is opened opening balances as well as closing balances. Understood? See, you will get all the opening balances and closing balances. Understood? Yes. Now in between, I want transactions. Now again, you can go for F12. Okay, you can open transactions. Why the reason opening balance and closing balance is the differences. So if you enabling transactions, then only you will get to know. Okay, see, you can just check. So fixed assets. So for example, this one opening is 70,000 and you purchased 44, then the closing balance will become 1 lakh 15. Understood? Like that. So say core robotic, it is a machine and it is a fixed asset. Opening balance is not there. So 2 crore 60 lakh, the value they have purchased, closing balance 2 crore 60. Understood? So this is the reason. So year end is not there. That's why depreciation is not recorded. Okay. So this is about your trial balance with opening balance with the transactions with closing balance. Now I want to export this to Excel. What is the shortcut key for exporting Excel? Control E. Okay. So I'll select export. It is loading. Just wait. Hmm. See, this is the format for trial balance. You will get like this. If your management is asking, you have to export like this and then you have to submit. Okay. This is about your trial balance. Okay. Now, if your management is asking about profit and loss account, please come to profit and loss account, open profit and loss account. See, this is condensed view. I want a detailed view. What is the shortcut key? Shortcut key is for Alt F1. Okay. See, this is your profit and loss account. See, I will give you one more shortcut key here. For example, direct expenses is there. In this direct expenses, I want to hide all these three items. What is the shortcut key to hide? Okay. Or else I'll tell you one thing. Now I want to check only for indirect expenses. So what is the shortcut key? Hmm. I want only indirect expenses. In this window, it has to show all the ledger items. What is the shortcut key? Any idea? Someone? Can you tell me? If you use the Alt F1, all groups will give you items. I want only the individual head. I want only indirect expenses to open to give you detailed view. Okay, you have to use Shift plus Enter. Shift plus Enter. You have to use Shift plus Enter for individual detailed view. Individual detailed view. Understood? So you can select any group and you can apply this shortcut key. Okay. So now I will show you this. Hmm. Now I want to open only indirect expenses. That's why I'll use Shift Enter. See why this one is useful. Hmm. See, if you open Alt F1, say opening stock is opened, the closing stock is opened, this will give you messy. Understood? We can't justify if we are getting like this. Understood? So that's why I don't want like this. Opening stock and closing stock, I don't want. If you don't want, you can use Shift Enter plus now also. See, now it is giving you good way. Okay, you can export this to Excel. What is the shortcut key for exporting? Control E is the shortcut key for exporting Excel. Understood? Yes. See, you have to keep remember all the shortcut keys. Okay. If you practice it only, then only you will get to know and you will keep in your mind. If you read in one place and in one time all the shortcut keys, you will never keep in your mind. By doing practice only, you will keep in your mind all the shortcut keys. And so now I want to open balance sheet. Okay. See, this is condensed view. I want in a detailed view. Okay. For that, I'll use Alt F1. See, this is my, for fixed assets, I'm taking Shift Enter. Now, this is my balance sheet. Understood? Preeti Hasini, attendance link. Attendance links already has been sent. You just check. Okay, understood? Huh? So this is about your balance sheet. Just you can use shortcut key for Control E, export to Excel. Understood? Huh? Yes. Fine. Understood? Huh? Balance sheet also? Yes. Any doubts for today's session? I'll give you one more F11 function setting. See, when it is useful, see, for example, if you are exporting your goods, if you are exporting your goods, okay, for exporting, you should obtain license from the government. You should obtain the license and you will get the license number. Okay. You need to show this on the invoices. Okay. So where we need to mention export license number. Any idea? Sir, when the total notes of tally we will you upload in LMS portal at which time? Okay. Maybe today only you will get all the notes in LMS portal. You can download. Okay. Or else you can try tomorrow. Okay. See, if you are exporting your goods, if you are obtaining license number, then you need to show this license number on the invoices, right? So where you need to mention all these license numbers. Okay. Now I will show you where we need to mention license numbers for exporting. So we can call this as LUT bonds. This export license is nothing but LUT bonds. Okay. Where do you get this information in Tally? Where we need to enable this? Where we need to provide license number for this one? Okay. I'll show you now. So Tally, you cannot get the access in mobile. They're not releasing this kind of version. Okay. You have to use desktop or browser. Browser in phone also it is difficult. Okay. So you have to use or you will get access through desktop only or laptop. So WhatsApp channel or community for XLR. So you have to discuss with your management Muskan. As of now, I don't have any idea for communication through WhatsApp. I don't have any idea. You just discuss with your management. V2031. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So if you enable the company after creation of company, so you can enable F11 function key, select the company, which company you want to provide the exporting license code. Okay. You can just come down. Just wait. So you have to enable GST settings. In this GST setting, okay, you need to go for configurations again F12. So here it is asking provide LUT or bond details. You need to enable this. Do enter. Hmm. So this is the page for LUT bonds. If you are exporting, so you have to enable this one. So this is the page. You need to mention your license number for exporting your goods. For example, 1st of April 25, I'm obtaining the license and it is applicable 31st March 2026 and license number is LUT oblique LUT oblique 2526 oblique ABC oblique 01-1. Like this, you will get the number for license. You can accept it. Understood? Huh? Okay. You can go to one invoice. You can go to one sale invoice, for example. Okay, I am in Plus Incorporation. Huh? Okay. No, I'll select the company. Doubt is there. Just give me a minute. So attendance link already sent. You just cross check. Okay. Okay. Fine. So someone is asking, sir, are you doing this MS Word right now? I didn't understand. Can you please explore it? Explore the question. Okay. So I'll go to daybook. 1st of April 25, 31st 3, 26. Okay, I'll select one sales. Okay, I'll go to Control P. I'll select preview. Say LUT bond details are not coming here. Okay, you need to go to configure. So you just find LUT. Show LUT is there. See while recording. Sorry, let's take preview. It is not coming now. Why? Because this is not export. Okay. I'll show you this how to get print in invoice. Don't worry. Okay, all theory notes are fine. Whatever MS Word is there, no, that I'll make PDF and I'll make you available one note in under one file. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Any doubts for today? Any doubt for today's session? Please. So the configurations, Chetan Gupta, are you asking? So everything I'll give you in PDF. Don't worry. Rupali Chickman. Sir, we export invoice to Excel. Sometimes the print is not come proper. Which size or which option we have to select? Okay. See, always you have to select A4 sheet. Understood? So while selecting the printer, while attach printer to your system, so you have to just change the print settings. Okay. So A4 paper size you have to select. That is default. So if you are making default A4 page, then whatever you will give print in the tally, so it will come without making any changes. Don't worry. Sir, many of us were facing issues with LMS portal. Can you share the notes here in the chat box? Okay. I'll make you available in chat box only. Rupali Chikmane. Thank you. Thank you. Ria Dalaya. Thank you. Thank you, Ria. Thank you. Yes, any doubts for today's session? Muskan. Thank you, sir, for the very good explanation. I'm now understanding about Tally. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for making the concepts easier. Thank you, Sarika. Thank you. Ria, thank you, sir. Such a detailed explanation. Thank you, Ria. Shafia Khan, today class very interesting. Thank you, Shafia Khan. Thank you. Deepika, sir, today class very interesting. Thank you so much, Deepika. Yash, Sonavanan, today class very interesting. Thank you. Nidana, Uma Maheshwari, wonderful explanation. Thank you. Thank you, Uma. Pesh Anurag. Sir, is there any objective type exam in the last session? Maybe none. So you can expect. Sir, just share the notes in the chat box tomorrow. Sure, I'll share you. Don't worry. Thank you for explaining, sir. I'm already aware Tally ERP9 software, but Tally Prime was new to me. Thank you making me understanding Shivam. Thank you, Sangamitra. Today class was nice. I can understand bits, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Sangamitra. Thank you. Nishant Sharif. Thank you. Piyush. Okay. Nagma. Thank you. Piyush. Okay. Bye. Good night. Vangeti Harika. Last class is Tuesday. Thank you. Sir, will you share the notes today or tomorrow? Maybe you will get all the notes today only. If it is not done today, tomorrow you will get. Sir, tomorrow have a class. No, tomorrow no class. Aditya, good night. Good night, Aditya. Tomorrow no class. Yes, Riya, you can leave. Just 3 minutes. No, I'll also leave. Okay, yeah. Good night. Sweet dreams. Okay, students, take care. Good night. Sushmita ma'am. So I'll conclude the session now.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir. We can conclude it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so dear students, as you all know, Saturday and Sunday we don't have a session. We are meeting again on Monday. That will be the day 14th. So day 14th and day 15th class is remaining. So I request you all to join the session again back on Monday at 7 p.m. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. There is one question in unable to log into LMS portal. ID and password is incorrect. It is showing. Okay. So I request please drop a mail to edl@xlr.com. Will help you there. So we do have a mail ID that is edl@xlr.com. Kindly drop a mail if you are facing any issues on LMS. For sure, we will reply for you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Good night, everyone.
Yes, madam. Good night.